In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your phone number on OpenTable. If you need to update the phone number connected to your OpenTable account, the good news is that the process is usually quick and straightforward. Keeping your contact information current is important, especially if you use OpenTable for reservations, confirmations, or account security. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the steps on the OpenTable website so you can make the change smoothly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the OpenTable website. Once you're there, sign into your account at opentable.com using your usual login method. Make sure you're signing into the correct account before making any changes, since your phone number is tied directly to your profile and booking information. After you're signed in, look for your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon, your name, or the account menu, depending on how the site appears on your screen. From there, open the section labeled Profile or Account. This is where OpenTable stores your personal details and preferences. Next, find the Phone section. In many cases, this will be inside a Contact Info area, so click on Contact Info when you see it. Take a moment to review the information on the page so you know you're editing the correct field. Once you locate the phone number field, select it and begin updating the number. Now, edit the phone field by removing the old number and entering your new one carefully. It's a good idea to double-check the digits before saving, since even a small mistake can affect reservation notifications or verification messages. Be sure to enter the number in the correct format if the website asks for a specific country code or spacing style. When the new number is in place, save your changes. Look for a Save, Update, or similar confirmation button and click it. The website may take a moment to process the update, so wait until you see a confirmation on the screen. In some cases, OpenTable may ask you to confirm the change. If prompted, enter the verification code sent to your new phone number. This step helps make sure the number belongs to you and that your account stays secure. Once the code is entered successfully, your updated phone number should be confirmed. And that's it. Your OpenTable phone number has now been changed on the website.